Hello. On Photopea.com, in order to take your A2 card and put photo a page, we will select Edit, Copy, and that will put it on the clipboard. We will File, New, and then you'll go to where it says Print, scroll down to Letter, and then select Create. And on this page, we want to go up to Edit, Paste, and then we can slide that down. And we need 3 more, so go over here to the Layer panel, right click where the image is here, duplicate layer, and then we will take this and slide it over. And we need to do this 2 more times. Right click, duplicate layer, slide her down, right click, duplicate layer, and then one, whoopsie, grabbed it wrong, slide that over, try and get it level. Okay, and then select the check mark. Then we want to go over here to File, Export As, and save it as a PDF, and then save it onto your device. And then what you'll want to do when you open it to print, make sure you select actual size.